Hi everyone! Nag-aayos kasi ako ng files, phone gallery ko. Tapos, nakita ko ulit yung video na ginawa ko nung nakaraang linggo where I was cooking breakfast for my family. And then, nung ini-edit ko siya, na-realize ko na hindi lang pala siya simpleng breakfast lang, Kasi sometimes, we think na yung mga ginagawa natin is just for the sake of doing it. Pero, while I was editing it, I realized na these are the kinds or the things na I thought very ordinary lang. Tapos, naisip ko, hindi lang pala siya tungkol sa pagkain. Kaya mo ginagawa ang mga bagay na yon ay para mapasaya yung pamilya mo, di ba? Yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. And yun yung mga bagay na worth cherishing kasi moments really pass by quickly. Hindi na natin may babalikan bawat segundo, bawat oras na dumadaan. Parang, oo nga, yung mga ganung bagay pala is kahit simpleng pagluluto lang, ang dami mo na palang marirealize na mga bagay-bagay sa buhay mo. But anyway, that's why I would like to share this video to you and sana you'll stay until the end of this video.
People always say, you'll miss the little things someday. I never really understood what that meant until this morning. Today, I woke up a little late. Usually, kapag nakakauwi ako, gusto ko talaga magluto para sa family ko. Maybe cooking breakfast wasn't really just about feeding everyone. It was my quiet way of saying, I'm happy to be home. So this morning, I made one of our usual breakfasts. Nothing fancy, just the kind of breakfast I grew up eating. Habang naghihiwa ko ng mga ingredients na gagamitin at nagluluto, napaisip ako. Kasi dati, normal lang naman sa akin yung ganitong umaga. I never thought na balang araw, ito pala yung mga umagang hahanap-hanapin ko. Then, I caught myself smiling kasi all this time, akala ko yung pagkain yung namimiss ko. Pero I was wrong. I realized it was never really about the food. It was the feeling. Yung alam mong maya-maya, everyone will gather around one table. You'll see the comfort of familiar routines, the conversations that happen over simple meals, the little things that seem so ordinary until they're no longer part of your everyday life. As I get older, mas naiintindihan ko na yung sinasabi nilang, you'll miss the little things. Kasi alam mo, totoo pala. We spend so much time chasing bigger dreams, thinking about what's next, or worrying about tomorrow, na minsan nakakalimutan nating i-appreciate yung meron tayo ngayon. Hindi ako nakakauwi ng madalas due to my weekly treatments. Maybe that's why I don't take mornings like this for granted anymore. Kaya every time na nandito ako, I try to be more present. Because one day, these ordinary mornings won't just be mornings anymore. They'll become memories. And I don't want to look back wishing I had noticed them sooner. Maybe that's why breakfast tastes different in the province. Hindi dahil iba yung ingredients, kundi dahil every meal reminds me of what home really feels like. And don't get me wrong, no family is perfect. Our family certainly isn't. We all have misunderstandings. We all carry things that other people don't see. But even in the middle of all the misunderstandings, the distance, the things left unsaid, there are still mornings worth coming home for. And maybe that's what coming home is really about.
If you made it this far, thank you. I hope you enjoy the video. At sana rin this little piece of my life nakapagbigay ng quiet moment sa'yo. I also hope you enjoy the little moments you have and appreciate those people around your table even more. Until the next story, bye!